Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. YouTube Shorts monetization is finally here, and if you want to start earning from your short form videos, let's go over the requirements and how to qualify. The first step is to meet YouTube Partner Program eligibility. And to be eligible, you need to meet one of these criteria: at least 1000 subscribers and 10 million public shorts view in the last 90 days, or at least 4,000 watch hours on long form content. Now, to enable monetization on your channel, open YouTube Studio and go to monetization under settings. After that, apply for the YouTube Partner Program once you meet the requirements. Now, for the ad revenue shorts, unlike regular videos, short earnings come from the YouTube Shorts Fund and ad revenue sharing. A percentage of ad revenue from shorts ads is pooled and distributed among eligible creators based on viewership. And remember, stay compliant with YouTube's policies and follow community guidelines and avoid copyright issues, and use original content or re-uploaded or non-original shorts won't be monetized. And remember, post shorts consistently to increase viewers and reach the 10 million requirement faster, and engage with comments and encourage likes, shares to boost visibility, and experiment with trends to maximize exposure. And that's it for today's tutorial. That's how you qualify for YouTube Shorts monetization. It's very easy and very simple. If you like this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.